Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of making this 3D looking bolt. And I was just playing around with it while that video was loading, and there's probably a better way. So if you remember from the first video, we colored it in. And then I'm going to go ahead and make that gray. And I'm going to go and put an outline around it. I'm going to go to the extrude tool. I'm going to extrude this. And then you can turn it whatever way you want to turn it. Not going to spend a lot of time on this. But if you notice in the first video, I had to take away a lot of lines. Well, you don't have to do that as much. Let's get this one out of the way. What you can do is go to Object and break the extrude tool apart. Go to Object and ungroup it. And then just grab the lines you want. Like we want this one to all come in one piece. We want this back line. It's still going to have these little squares, but very easily deleted, just those lines instead of having to delete all these lines. And then we want that center piece right there. Now just take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. A lot less lines, a lot easier, and you're done. And then to make it color, just, colored in whatever color you want. Remember to make one side a little darker than the other, kind of like it was real. You could actually make that one that color, change your smart fill tool to something not quite as dark and put it there. And then you can always select it all and right click a black line on it so you got a little separation there. Anyway, so you saved all these lines from having to delete all these extra lines. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.